Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is tempeh turkey. And yes, no turkeys are injured, killed, or whatever in this amazing meal. Let's get started with some fresh herbs. We have sage, rosemary, and thyme. Man, we could do some parsley and have a song. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Sounds great. Anyways, these herbs give off the aroma of the holiday dinners of my past. I love them. Let's start our marinade using vegan chicken broth and vegan white wine. I think it's always vegan, but I don't really know. So our marinade is in a 9x12 pan. Put your 2 gluten-free tempeh and then start tearing up your herbs. Tearing up the herbs will give some nice aroma, get them kind of broken up. Marinate for at least 30 minutes or overnight. So preheat an oven to 375. Cook the tempeh for 45 minutes, turning once in between. Now we're going to brown the tempeh. Use a large pan with vegan butter and start browning the tempeh. This is going to give it really some rich flavor, and then it's going to help us make an amazing savory gravy. Go ahead and add some wine to it. Now once they're good and browned, let's remove. Now to release our brown bits, add some more wine and the reserve marinade. And then add some of your plant-based milk with some flour. It should be broken up. I didn't do a great job with that one. For some reason it was kind of lumpy. You can add some lemon, that's always optional. I love lemon. So bring it to a rolling boil. Keep stirring. You may need to add a little bit more thickening agents with some milk and some flour. Give it a taste. You might want to add some more herbs, salt and pepper, really up to you. Now, if you want, you can strain to get out any excess pieces. Now we're done. Take your gravy and put it over your tempeh. Add some herbs. Oh, this is so flippin' good. Give it a taste. You're gonna love this amazing tempeh turkey. Just reminiscent of holidays past, present, and in the future. Please subscribe, share, and visit Vegan Gluten-Free Life for the full recipe and my YouTube channel for more easy to follow recipe videos. And remember, always have fun in the kitchen, and don't forget to comment and let me know how you made it your own. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye!